Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Balik lagi di channel aku yaitu Rizal Barber. Baik, kali ini kita akan nyukur gaya koma hair ya, atau belah tengah atau tublok. Koma hair itu maksudnya rambutnya itu yang depan dibelah gitu kayak bentuk koma. Jadi ciri utama cukuran ini atasnya panjang, kemudian disconnect ya. Maksudnya disconnect itu atas sama pinggir itu nggak nyambung, langsung jatuh gitu. Nah, ini tipe rambutnya adalah lurus, agak gelombang sedikit, tebel dan lebat ya. Oh ya, ini kan cukuran Korea ya, dan biasanya pinggirnya itu nggak tipis-tipis amat karo Korea. Nah, ini nggak aku buat tipis-tipis amat, tapi aku buat ujungnya itu buat taper atau tipisnya itu di bawah-bawah aja. Oh ya, sedikit pengamatan saya ya. Menurutku semua cukuran orang Korea itu sama. Yang membedakan itu cuma stylingnya atau penataannya. Ada yang dibuat maju ke depan, ada yang dibuat belah tengah, belah samping, dikebelakangin. Nah, menurut saya cuma stylingnya ya. Oke, langsung saja kita mulai.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I find somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I find somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say
It has been established that persons who have recently died have been returning to life and seeking human victims.
Time was spring through the room in the night, they're hunting for straight
Voices in my head. Voices in my head. Voices in my head.
Whispering through the room in the night, they're hunting for straight doom. Drops of cold sweat, a demon in my chest. Came to the bed, I've got voices in my head. Voices in my head.
Voices in my head. Voices in my head.
Voices in my head. Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby,
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon, and I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
Make it. There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back. Yeah. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the